Hello everybody. Today I have come up with a product unboxing of an eye massager from a company called Renpho. I went through the product details in Amazon and was quite impressive, and this is the packaging I received for the eye massager. So usually we are constantly viewing the screens, and that gives a great lot of effort for our eyes to recalibrate to the lights, and especially the blue lights which emerge from the screens, laptop, iPad, computers. So this is what makes our eyes the most um, working muscles while we are viewing the online content. So a way to at least give a rest for time to time, I thought why not buy a eye massager. Looked at the market and this was the new model. This also comes in black version, so I bought the white version. And let's see how it, let's unbox it. So it comes with like totally insulated cover, so let's unbox it. Packing is good, and let's open it up. So these are some warranty registrations, then a user manual with a tiny battery, possibly an alkaline battery, maybe a reserve one. Packaging, and it comes up with a remote. Okay, and this is the final, the important part. So comes up wrapped with a polythene card. And this is it. It's like this one is the rest of the cover, and what is this? A USB cable for charging. So this one. So I'll keep aside the cover packaging for a while, and let's concentrate on the product. Quite impressive by the packaging. It's completely insulated. Weight wise, not that much. It folds like this, and this would be when we will be putting over the eyes. So this will be the position. There is a strap for adjusting to the head size so that it's contours to the eyes properly. Impressive to start with, not so heavy, not at all. Comes with the remote. The remote, I have to look at the features, maybe increase, decrease. And there is a, I believe it comes with a music, so you can pause, play the music, I believe, with this tool. It comes up with a charger, so we need not have to worry about the batteries anymore. A USB A to USB charge. It's not USB-C though. So this is like an unboxing of this eye massager by Renpho. I will put up the link of this product in the description below so that you can access the product description and also the place where you can purchase this product. So just I did a trial, but I have to do more features and modes. There are many modes, more features, like there's a combination between vibration, music and heat, or heat only, vibration only, or music only. So these are all the combinations. These are all buttons which you can use it to control them. A default timer is about 15 minutes and it goes through the cycle. Initial observation was pretty good. Nice product. A thumbs up from me for this product. And I'll come up with a detailed review of this product once I use it more. Definite goodbye for all of us. Thank you. I'll come up with another product, another review. Until then, stay safe.